All right, my name is Vassort. I live in Rising Fawn, Georgia. I was admitted at Erlanger at the ER on April 15 because of worsening headaches and lots of vomiting, really feeling progressively more terrible. I had had symptoms for the past 6 months to a year of memory issues and various symptoms that let me know that I wasn't quite right. But on that day, it was just not right at all. So when I realized that I could not hold anything down and that the headaches were getting really bad, my husband took me to the ER. Eric was very supportive, and we ended up actually going to Memorial first, then rushed to Erlanger when they determined that I had a brain tumor. I was told Erlanger was the place to be. And retrospectively, of course, I'm glad I was taken there. Then after all sorts of exams, the next day I was told I had a benign, most likely benign, brain tumor, pretty much the size of a grapefruit. And it was kind of, I must admit, it was hard to believe, even though it was coming out of the lips of a professional. But the strange thing is that even through the ER and through that morning, everything had gone so well. I was very calm, and that went on for the 7 days I stayed at Erlanger. So I spent 2 days at the neuro ICU section of Erlanger. Everything was very professional and nice there. I spent then 3 days on the 9th floor in a regular room because I needed to be prepared for surgery. We were actually very lucky that that was discovered on time before a major accident happened in my head. And so I got a treatment for 3 days and an arthroscopy to prepare me for surgery. And so the emergency was on April 15. The surgery was on April 20th. Dr. Strait performed the surgery, and as a neurosurgeon, he was, I must say, was excellent. His words were very easy to understand. He was himself very calm. He let me know that it was serious, but he also let me know that we were going to get it done. And when I say we, it was mainly him and his assistant, Dr. Peter Bohm Sr., who came out of retirement just to assist him. And I thought that was very, very touching. I felt that people were going to the bat for me, from the neurosurgeons to the nurses to the technicians. Everybody was, I felt surrounded by kindness when I was there. I was just amazed at the amount of competence, skills. It just instilled calm and confidence in me, and I believe that was very instrumental in me recovering faster and healing faster, because from day one, I felt that everybody really knew what they were doing, and that the neuro ICU was the best place I could ever ask for what I had. Needless to say, it was quite a surprise to know that I had been operating for years with a brain tumor in my head. But it was almost also a relief to know that what I had felt had a reason. And I was glad to be in the hands of professionals.